Good evening to you. A chance for scattered thunderstorms across the area is what we're tracking for tonight. The potential is there for them to develop. They're not there yet. There is no thunderstorm activity out there, and that's what we see on Max Track radar. It's kind of a quiet sweep across the area as far as no significant thick clouds producing precipitation nearby. A couple showers in northwest Missouri. This is the area of the state that we're going to be watching, the southern Flint Hills region. I think that's where the initial development will take place and then move northeast toward our area as we head into the late evening hours for the early part of that. We do have some clouds up overhead. They've been coming in, thinning out, thickening up a little bit, thickening at least for now in Seneca. Still a mix of sun and clouds in Topeka. Cooler day, 59 right now. High's been 60. The wind's out of the east-northeast at 9 miles per hour. Kind of a cooler day, and there's been that breeze blowing through, noticeably cooler from where we were over the weekend because a cold front pushed south. As it's pushed down, notice Wichita at 71, Enid, Oklahoma nearly 80 degrees, while to the north and northeast, Des Moines at 40. So there's quite a contrast across the region and even across the viewing area, from 52 at Seneca, 54 in Marysville, to 62 at Council Grove and 63 for Linden and Emporia right now. So the contrast is there. The front's just to the south. It'll make a retreat slowly over the next 24 hours. Currently east and northeast winds. Those winds are not going to let up. They're going to stay out of the east. Most of the night around 15 miles per hour. So it'll be a breezy night. Cloud cover occasionally coming through today, thickening up. Notice, though, the trend has been for a mostly cloudy sky now over the western 2/3 of the area, and that thicker cloud cover will be around through a good part of the evening. Out of that, we're going to see, with the front stalled out to the south, moisture coming up and over and developing scattered showers and thunderstorms. That's the setup for tonight. And what we'll see out of that, high-res future track at 6:30 showing still quiet here, well to the southwest near Wichita, and then during the evening hours, look at that, between 8 and 9, how much blossoms across the area during that late part of the evening after the sun sets. That's when things get underway. Scattered thunderstorms during the first half of the night. Additional rounds of showers and storms may try to develop and move into the area again late in the night. So rounds of showers and storms. Because of that, they'll actually limit how strong each round will be. And the threats that we're looking at for tonight, hail is looking a little bit lower of a threat. It's still there, but it'll be small. Not expecting it to be substantially severe hail. As a matter of fact, most of the hail will likely be smaller than quarter size, which is what the severe limit is. But heavy rain still looks like at least a medium potential out of that as we head through the night for tonight. 43 with a southeast wind developing at 10 to 20. Scattered thunderstorms off and on tonight and into the daytime tomorrow as well. We'll go about 63 for the high. Storms mainly redeveloping for the eastern half of the area, maybe an isolated storm southeast on Wednesday. What you'll notice, though, is we turn sharply colder. By the end of the week, highs in the mid-40s on Friday. Could see a freeze both Friday and Saturday morning. Saturday morning near 25 degrees, and then a very quick warm-up late in the weekend and into early next week.